Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super duper excited to share something with you. Oh my gosh. Okay. Raise your hand if you like Nightmare Before Christmas. Let's see. If you love Nightmare Before Christmas, give me a yes. And if you like Nightmare Before Christmas, do you like Oogie Boogie? I know I do. I'm a huge fan. Super excited. All right, so we had a warmer come out and it is so cute. It just got here. I wasn't sure what was in this box and because it's back ordered, but you can still order it. But it was my Oogie Boogie warmers. It's called Oogie Boogie's Casino. And I am so excited to share it with you. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and start opening it up. And I have several for customers. And this one is mine. Oh my gosh. It says, oh, my nose is itching. It says, it's Oogie Boogie's turn to boogie now. My bugs, my bugs. That's how it looks right there. So I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, so we have a little metal piece that's going to go on top. It's a little piece of part of the part of the decor. I'm so excited I can't even talk. All right. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It has the spider, has all kinds of like decor on there. Isn't that cute? Okay, the dish. Okay, the dish is really cute. You guys ready to see this? Okay, so it's a little rectangular dish and it has Oogie Boogie's bugs in there. That's so cute. And like I said, this is still available. It's back ordered, but you can still order it. Super cute. Okay. I'm so excited. This is so not going back in that box. Okay. So let me go ahead and start taking it out. Okay, it has a 20-watt bulb. And remember, Scentsy sells different color bulbs. So you can put a green bulb, an orange bulb, a red bulb. We have purple and blue. I think the green would look really cool in here. So cute. Oh my gosh. Wait till you guys see this. Wait till you see it. Now, I have to say this is a bit of a pricey warmer, but it's a collector's item. And I am so excited to share it with you. So it's worth it. Okay. You guys ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that amazing? Look at the wheel. And let's see. Oh, it has Jack and 0 on this side. And they're like hiding behind here. And what's on this side? Oh, it's just him. And that will reflect on your wall or your bookshelf or wherever you have that. So that's super cute. Oh, and look at what's on this side. Looks like Sally's leg. That is amazing. I love it. Can you guys see the dice really good and all the detail? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the bulb in. And if you order one, links in the bio. If you order one, you'll see that it comes with these two kind of rubbery areas right here. That's where this goes. So you put one, I can't even see with my eyes right here. One on one side, one on the other, easy peasy. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then we are going to put the dish on. Okay, and I'm going to plug it in. See, upside down. There we go. Okay, you guys ready to see it? Okay, here we go. Let me get my finger on the switch. Hold on. Wait. I should have undid the cord. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So now let me show you how Sally's leg is actually glowing. You can't tell right now on the camera, but her leg is glowing. Okay. Jack and Zero are glowing. It's hard to see because I have 2 lights on me right now and the regular light. And then the back. See, that's how you'll get the design on your wall. And then let me share this with you. I don't want to drop it. You see that? How you can see all the bugs? Isn't that cute? I love this one. I've been so excited for it to come. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, it's such a collector's item. I love it. I'm so excited. So we have that already. And then these are still available. We have the mini warmer right there. And we have the Lock, Shock, and Barrel. We have Jack and Sally Buddies. And look at this. You guys, look at the mayor. Now watch this. It's a buddy clip. He's scented. He smells amazing. Now watch this. His head turns. Isn't that the cutest? I love, love, love this. It's perfect for a backpack or a diaper bag or a stroller or whatever. Super cute. And pretty soon we're going to be getting an Oogie Boogie Buddy. Those are buddies. They're scented. They come with a scent pack. We're getting an Oogie Boogie Buddy. We're getting Zero. And are we getting anything else? I think just Oogie Boogie and Zero are coming back. But this stuff is all available. If you go to my website and scroll down to where it says collections, and it'll say Nightmare Before Christmas, because there's a bunch of different collections. We have a ton of Disney stuff. But let me give you one more look at this gorgeous warmer. I can't wait to deliver the warmers to my friends that ordered. But I love how that glows. Super duper cute. And like I said, you can order a green bulb. Our bulbs are only $2 a piece. So you can order a green bulb. I think purple would be pretty in this. I think green would be my favorite though. But I always go for green in for Halloween. But then you can reuse that bulb for Christmas time. So that's super cute. Again, let me show you. Look how cute how they're hiding behind there. And then the back. So anyways, you guys, I hope you love it. It's absolutely adorable. I had to share it with you. And if you want one, go to my website and grab one. Like I said, these are back ordered, but they will be coming in, I believe November. But they'll definitely be around for Christmas time. So that's fantastic. And then you'll have it forever. These are like a collector's item. Things have been back ordered just because of the whole COVID thing and getting our product. You know, the manufacturers are slower. Everything has to be done slower because of manning and this and that. So it just kind of is what it is. Sorry, I got a call. Hope you love this warmer. And we have scents that go with it as well. We have Halloween Town. We have Jack's Obsession. And we also have Oogie Boogie, what did they call it? Not casino, Roll the Dice. So they all smell really, really good. And I can't wait for you guys to get these and enjoy them. And anyway, you guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Have a wonderful weekend. And I will talk to you later. Bye.